Good day everyone, Best Ever Toy TV here, and since there's not much news around the Diecast community, we'll do a Diecast daily video here tonight. And tonight we will take a look at this Matchbox VW Caddy delivery van. This is from not last year, but this year. So check out the art card, same looking car here on the cover. Part of the Matchbox Service Series. So this is the 20th car out of 20 cars in the series, and time to take a look closely now at this pizza delivery van here from Matchbox. This is okay. Now I really like this casting, and the decals on this one is just good, really good. So check out the front here. Although you can see the front, not much details going on at the front. The base is plastic, and this part here up to the headlights and to the grille is part of the base, which is plastic. Plain white here, plain also on the roof, but at the side, check this one out. Pizza Italian Eatery by Santini since 1971. Free delivery. Ooh, that's good. Voted best pizza in town. Now I don't know if this eatery here, Santini, is real or just made up, but yeah, pretty cool. They're voted the best pizza in town. So if you do know if this is real or not, kindly comment it down below. I love the font here on the pizza, and the pizza looks good in red. I think the red is too dark. It looks like it looks more like a dessert now because it is too dark. But overall, really good. I love the rims that they use in this one. At the back, no details. Yeah, really cool. So I hope you enjoyed this Diecast daily video of this Matchbox Volkswagen pizza delivery van, and if you did, please subscribe to our channel, Best Ever Toy TV. See you around, guys. Bye bye, peace out, and enjoy the rest of the day. Enjoy your pizza, guys. Bye bye.